Hello guys, today in this video we are going to talk about volume pill. Does this supplement, does these pills really increase your semen volume? Does it really work? If really work, how much time it will take to give you results? And does it really worthy or not? So in this video we will cover lots of information, and we will also discuss about does it really boost your sexual desire or not. Okay, so first of all, if we talk about this brand, volumepills.com is a very popular brand, and they are approx 23 years from now, and they are also available on Trustpilot, and they have approx 138 reviews till now. Okay, and most of the reviews is really good. So in the terms of presentation, in the terms of legitness, the brand is looking like 100% legit. Okay, now let's talk about does this pill really work or not. So first of all, you can see what are the main benefits of taking this pill. It will increase your semen volume. It will give you bigger, harder and strong erection. Yes, definitely, because you can check out the ingredient they are using, like Silidil, and these are the ingredient they are using their scientific name, but in India these are the powerful herb related to sexual and related to your desire, related to your, you can say, erection and all. These are the main powerful herbs. Okay, so basically when you take these kind of supplements, these all really work in your boosting your testosterone, boosting your erection, boosting your you can say like blood flow and all. So yes, definitely you can take this supplement. This is a really good supplement. But if we talk about like results, how much time it will take to give you results? So results is depends on person to person, and in most of the cases the results will come after 4 to 6 weeks. You have to consistently take this kind of supplement at least for 6 weeks, and after 6 weeks you will see lots of change in your body. Okay, so these are the things. Now if we talk about does it really worthy or not, yes, definitely. When you buy product, when you use product, after using consistently for 2 or 3 months, this will really give you, you can say like, lots of benefits. It will really give you, you can say like, lots of benefits and boost in your married life, in your, you can say like, partner life. Okay, so these are the things. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.